What's up, y'all? Me, Big Dude here. So, anyway, I got my friend here today. Named Tyler. Yeah, he gonna be in my video. Okay. Say something, Tyler.
I know.
Say something. You say something. What that mean? What do that mean? I don't know what that means. I like your haircut. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Look, it raining. It rained out there. Sorry, y'all can't see the rain that good, but it raining. It's way too dark out here. So, anyway, yeah, my friend Tyler. My buddy Tyler here.
That's not a fight.
I know. I gonna say it again. Say something. Say something. Yeah, if y'all hear noise, that mean the rain in the background. Do something. Say something. Do something. Whatever you want to do. Do something. Say it louder.
I'll be playing in the rain.
Okay, go do something under the waterfall. Under the waterfall. My buddy Tyler. You got wet, Tyler? You got wet? You did too? You did too? Okay, pretty good. I gave her a nickname.
It's a girl.
Yeah, I gave her a nickname. Her nickname is pretty good. Oh, you got me wet. Do that again. Do that again. Do it again. Oh, you got me wet again. They got me so wet. Watch out. You gonna get my phone wet. Oh. So Tyler, how your day been? How your day been, Tyler? How your day been? How you been? You been good? Good to hear. Y'all enjoying the rain? Oh, you get me wet. Oh. Yeah, they getting me red. They getting me red. Watch out, you get my phone wet a little bit. Oh. Why did you do that for, pretty girl? You trying to jump up, touch the camel? way, y'all. Can't see me. Can't see me. Oh, that was my toes. You trying to touch my phone? Oh, you go knock you out of my hand. Thank y'all for watching. I'm done.